Hi, my name is Will, and I'm a trainer with Digital Solutions. I'm going to be running you through how to use this Microsoft Surface Hub to start your class. And now, if it's not on already, you'll tap it to wake it up, or use the power button that's in the corner to turn it on. From here, you'll be able to swipe up and enter your Northeastern password and username to start the process. Once you've gotten to this screen, you'll find your favorite internet browser and navigate to canvas.northeastern.edu. From here, you'll choose the class that you're teaching for the day and click on Zoom Meetings to access your Zoom link for your class. Once you have access to your Zoom meetings, you'll click Start and allow the program to start running. Once it launches, you'll have full access to your entire Zoom class, and you'll be able to teach automatically from there.
This meeting is being recorded.
And you're ready to go. One issue you might have is that the keyboard is not showing up when you might need it to. So to make sure that the keyboard is active, press the Start button and navigate to Settings. From Settings, you'll choose Devices and then Typing here on the side. Now, one of the settings that you want to make sure is switched on is Show the Touch Keyboard when not in tablet mode and there's no keyboard attached. Make sure that this is switched to On, and that way the keyboard will always show up when you need it to.